Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss the another method, information through questionnaire or enumerators method. Today we will discuss first questionnaire method. It is how investigator send different questionnaires to respondents in order to collect the information. Information through questionnaire method. Information through questionnaire method. It is a method in which yes, questionnaire is prepared by the investigator. Questionnaire is prepared by the investigator. Questionnaire is prepared by the investigator. After preparing a question paper, he mails it to respondent. Respondent or informant. As I already discussed this, what we call respondent or informant. Means after preparing questionnaire, he mails it to respondent or informant in order to get information. But this information which is sent by the investigator, it is in the form of questionnaire. Means respondent or informant have to reply to answer questions. Yes, to answer questions. But it has to be kept in mind. Investigator keep us in mind while sharing the information with the respondent or informant. That information to be kept secret. The information is kept secret. It should not be shared with others. Means in questionnaire method, question is framed by the investigator and it is mailed to the respondent, and respondent has to reply to provide answer to these questions. Now I will discuss what is the suitability of this method. Suitability of this method. Why it is suitable? First one, suitability of method. Suitability of method. It is generally suitable for large area. Large area. Means when investigator has to collect a large area network, then this method can be utilized. As he can one time he can send this question to 100 respondents. Respondent in order to get information, collect or response from the respondents. Yes, he has no need to reach direct out to the respondents or informants. He can easily cover large area with this method. Second one, education. For this method, education necessary. Any person, if respondents are uneducated, then this method cannot be utilized. This method is only suitable for the educated persons, as they have to respond to the questions. They have to respond to questions, provide answers to the questions. It's only possible when the person is educated, when the respondent is educated. For uneducated people, this method is not suitable. Third one, economical. This method is economical. Economical in terms of efforts, money, and time. As investigator has to use less efforts. At one time, he can send a questionnaire to the thousands of students, lakhs of students. At one time, he can save the money. He has not reached out to every person, place to place, and he can save the money. He can save the time. Also, he can save the time. as at one time, at 1 hour, in in 1 hour he can send the information, send the questionnaire to the thousands of students. Mean this method is this questionnaire method is yes, economical in terms of efforts, money, and time. You can easily save the time. Now I will write down the statement. Information through questionnaire. This method is I will write in another context for easily understanding. And this method questionnaire is prepared. Questionnaire is prepared by the investigator. Questionnaire is prepared by the investigator, keeping in mind objective of inquiry. Objective of inquiry. As questionnaire is mailed, as questionnaire is mailed to respondent or informant to answer the said questions. Information is kept to be secret. Information is kept secret. Secret between the investigator and respondent. While answering the question, respondent after answering the questions, respondent return it back to investigator. Now, what are the yes? Why are the circumstances in which this method is suitable? I will write down the suitability of the method. Why it is suitable? As I tell you, this method is suitable for a large area network, as you can easily cover the large area network. Suitability of the method. Suitability of method. As I tell you, this method is suitable when the area of operation is large. Area of operation is large. And this method is utilized for when he has covered the large area network. This method is suitable. This method is suitable. When area of operation is large. As yes, this method is suitable when the area of operation is large. And the investigator can easily collect the information by way of sending. We are sending questionnaire to large number of respondents at a time. Second one, education. This method is suitable when when the respondents when the respondents or informants are educated. For uneducated, this method is not suitable. This method is used suitable. This method is suitable. This method is suitable only for educated persons. For only for educated persons, as they have to respond questions. Respond questions. They have to respond questions. Last one, as I tell you, economical. Economical. As I tell you, it is economical in terms of this method is economical. In terms of efforts, money, as I discussed, money and time. Money and time. This one, these are the suitability. This is circumstances suitable where this method can be utilized. Now, remains it is merits and demerits that I will take in next lecture. Till that time, you have to wait and watch. I will be coming soon. I will be coming very soon. Hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.